So I'm getting ready to just do a color match check on this house. The house was previously painted with montage paint. I want to make sure this is the right color before we come back to do any painting, because if it's not, I'll need to get the right color. Just put a little dot on there. It looks a little bit light, of course, but it's going to dry. The color montage, I think it's Blue Bayou. So we've got that. Something you need to do nowadays is always strain your paints, and paints nowadays are just so dirty. Didn't used to do it like 10 years ago, never had to strain paints. Now you have to strain your paints every single time you use them. So I just use 5-gallon strainers, throw on a pair of plastic gloves, that way I can squeeze it out, get all the paint out, and then I just pull the gloves off. I like using this stir whip right here. This is about the best one I've ever used for stirring the paint. I always roll 2 coats. So the first coat, you'll just roll a light coat on so it dries really quick. And I use frog tape so nothing will bleed under the windows if I'm doing the windows. And it'll dry really fast, and I'll go back and put on a heavy second coat and then pull my masking as soon as I do my second coat. Spraying the body is probably 4 to 5 times faster than brushing and rolling it. So we we always spray the body, brush and roll the trim. So all window trim, fascia, door trim, we hand roll all that. It looks a lot nicer, get better penetration and adhesion if you roll the trim.
Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
When it comes to pulling your masking, so I'm gonna pull my masking now, and I'm not just gonna toss it aside. What I like to do is I got wet paint, I'm gonna start rolling all my masking inside of itself like this right here. And if you mask it right, it should all come off. You shouldn't have to get in a ladder. Now I'm gonna get all my tape, make sure all my tape is bundled inside my plastic. All my wet paint is bundled inside the plastic. Now it's just a ball of plastic. Now when you actually put this into the bag, you don't have tape like sticking to your trash bag and making your trash bag all stuck together. It's simple little trick of rolling and bundling your masking up before putting it in your plastic bag. So I typically will pull the masking right after my second coat. While the paint is wet on the masking pulls a lot easier. So I'm just gonna pull my masking off. I'm gonna get my masking bundled up, and I'll bundle the tape all up inside. All your wet paint bundles inside. I just get it all bundled up just like this. And now I can put that in my trash bag, and now the tape's not gonna get all stuck to all the sides of my trash bag. And if you don't bundle up, then your trash bag gets all stuck together like this, and it completely almost ruins it and makes it non-usable. Simple little tip when it comes to pulling your masking. Now you're stuck. Probably get roasty in there pretty fast, huh? Did you forget to come out, Lisa? Did you forget? Did you want to stay in there?
Funny.
Lisa, how come you're not looking?
Funny.